Hello my people, let me show you how you can create the new Flutter template, the skeleton one. So before you do that, you have just to check if you have the newest version of Flutter 2.5. If you don't, you have just to upgrade. Let me just upgrade mine. Flutter upgrade. Okay, as you can see, I have Flutter 2.5 2.2 channel stable. It is the stable one. Okay, and that is 2.14.3. so as you can see, I am good to go. So to create the new version, you have to do Flutter create -t, then you do skeleton, then here you put the name of your app. Let me call it my _ app. You can call it what you want. So if you have all of this Flutter 2.5, so you can do this and you create your new Flutter template, the skeleton one. Okay, I call it my app. Let me just press enter, and it is created, as you can see. And let's do cd my app, and let me do code space dot to open it in the Visual Code Studio. This is the shortcut, code space dot. I will open it in the Visual Studio editor and just press enter. And this is the newest version. As you can see, we have asset, which is not in the recent version. The current version have this asset. It has many things. So let's run it to see if you have the right one. Let's do Flutter run -v. Okay, I see the newest version is coming, the new template. This is the new template, as you can see, and you have these settings here, and we can change our themes, and you can put the dark one, and you have the darkest theme, and you can change. Let me put to the light one. The light one and the system one, I think they are the same. Yeah, this is the newest version of Flutter template, the skeleton one, and this is how you can get it. So you have to upgrade your Flutter. If you have the old version 2.4 2.3, you have to upgrade it, and after you will run Flutter create -t and skeleton and then the name of your app. And you can see all of this in the description of this video. Check the description of this video, you will see everything there. If you have any question, I say any question, just ask in the comments of this video. I will see you in the next video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.